This video will demonstrate how to calibrate a Biolum using a calibration swab. When performing a negative test, do not press the button on the calibration swab. Open the upper lid and insert the swab into the device. Press the OK button to start the measurement. The device will count down for 10 seconds and display a negative test value. Please record the result. When testing positive, you need to press the button. The indicator light will turn on for 3 seconds. Confirm that the swab is turned on and insert the swab into the device within 10 seconds. Insert the swab into the device and press the OK button. The device shows a positive test value after a 10-second countdown. If the test value is outside the calibration range, use the calibration swab to calibrate the Biolum. Turn on the Biolum, select the Help and Calibration options, and set the RLU value and confirm to enter the calibration interface. The system displays that 0 baseline reference calibration completed is over and prompts 1 insert calibration swab to proceed to the next step. Press the switch. The button lights up green for 3 seconds and the device is turned on. Insert the swab into the device within 10 seconds and start measuring. The instrument page now shows 2 calibration in progress. When the instrument shows 2, remove the swab, close the cover, remove the calibration swab and close the lid. When the instrument shows 3 calibration in progress, wait until the instrument shows 3 calibration completed and the calibration is complete. Calibration complete. Return to the initial interface. After the calibration is completed, a negative test is performed again. After the calibration is completed, the positive test is performed again. The value display 198 is closer to the preset value of 200 than the value 194 before calibration.